Imagine your alarm goes off. It's early. The sun is just starting to peek through your window. Before you even stretch, you grab your phone. You see a few notifications. They are not from social media. They are not news alerts. They are payment notifications. Cha-ching. You earned $25 while you were dreaming. Then another one. Cha-ching. Another $15. This is not a fantasy. This is the new reality for people who are putting simple AI tools to work. It's a feeling of security. It's a feeling of freedom. And it's a feeling you can start building for yourself, right now, today. This is the power of true passive income. It's about building systems that work for you. These systems don't need you to be there every second. They run in the background. They serve customers. They create value. They generate revenue. For years, this was a difficult goal. It required a lot of technical skill or a lot of money to get started. But things have changed in a massive way. The game has been completely transformed. The tools that were once only available to big companies are now in your hands. You just need to know how to use them. What if your income wasn't tied to the hours you work? What if you could build something once, and it could pay you over and over again? This is the promise that artificial intelligence is finally delivering on. It's not about robots replacing us. It's about robots working for us, like an employee who never sleeps, never takes a break, and never gets tired. That is what these AI systems can be for your new side business. They handle the repetitive tasks. This frees you up to think about the big picture and to live your life. Let's get into the fun stuff. What are these AI-powered businesses exactly? Here are 3 simple ideas you can start this week. The first, AI-powered content creation services. Think about small businesses. They need blog posts, social updates, and email newsletters. Offer a simple monthly subscription. Example, 4 blog posts per month for a flat fee. Use AI for fast first drafts. Your job, be the human in the loop. The AI draft might be 80% done. You add the final 20. Voice, facts, story, CTA. Manage several clients at once. Deliver consistently. Get paid every month. Recurring revenue powered by automation. Second idea, create and sell AI-assisted digital products. Ebooks, guides, meal plans, workout templates. Create once, sell infinitely. Example, gardening for beginners. Use AI to outline and draft chapters. Use AI image generators for illustrations. Bundle as a clean, useful guide. Sell on a marketplace or one-page site. Sales and delivery fully automated. Someone can buy at 3 a.m. and get it instantly. Third idea, AI-powered chatbot services. Every local business gets the same questions. Use a no-code builder to answer FAQs 24/7. Bots can book appointments, provide hours, collect info. Charge a small monthly fee to manage and host. Win-win. Start with free trials of AI writers. Create a simple portfolio in a free doc. Write 3 samples. Share them. Offer 2 free articles for a testimonial. That proof helps you land your first paying client. Pick a topic you love. Use a free AI to brainstorm and outline. Design a simple cover with a free tool. List on a free tier platform. Use a chatbot free plan. Watch a few tutorials. Build a demo for a fictional company. Record a short phone demo and email a local business an introductory offer. That first $50, don't spend it on coffee. Upgrade your tool, buy a domain, and build your toolkit deliberately. By starting with free resources, you eliminate financial risk, so you can experiment, learn, and find what works, pressure-free. Let's be honest and set some realistic expectations. You are not going to be making thousands of dollars next week. That's just not how it works. In your first month, a great goal is $50 or $100. This proves the concept. Many who stay consistent reach $500 to $2,000 per month within a year, depending on niche, effort, and service. The potential is real, but it takes patience and persistence. The beauty of AI models is scalability. One person can only write so much, but with AI assistance, you can manage the output of 5 writers. A single ebook can sell to 10 or 10,000. Delivery work is the same. AI does not replace your hard work, it multiplies it. It gives you leverage. Take one small action. Pick just one idea: writing, creating products, or building bots. Don't do all three. Open a notes app or grab paper and write one simple goal for this week. Maybe write one sample blog post, or outline my ebook idea. This is your moment. The tools are here. The opportunity is real. The cost to get started has dropped to zero. The only thing missing is you. Imagine looking back a year from today, seeing a steady stream of income notifications, and knowing it started with today's tiny step. If you want simple guides, free templates, and weekly tips to help you on this journey, I highly recommend you subscribe to my newsletter below. Let's build something amazing together. Start today. Imagine waking up to notifications of money earned overnight. This is what financial freedom looks like. I set this up once, and it runs itself.